Yes, Sri Radhe, Progressive Shorthand Passages Legal, Exercise 21, page number 42, Dictation, 80 words per minute, start. Writ petition was also filed initially by BCCI and its erstwhile assignee for striking down Section 3 of the Sports Act 2007 insofar as it relates to cricket test matches and also striking down the notification issued by the central government notifying DD1 channel and DD channel as mandatory channels to be carried compulsorily by the cable operators. Stop. In the same writ petition, the notifications notifying the sporting events mentioned therein in respect of cricket to be of national importance were also challenged. Stop. Also challenged is the order of the Government of India by which clause 7.9 was added to the license agreement of DTH services. Clause 7.9 is in the following terms: the license shall carry or include in his DTH services the TV channels which have been notified for mandatory and compulsory carriage as per the provisions of Section 8 of the Cable Television Networks Act 1995 as amended, failing which the licensor shall be at liberty to take action as per clause 20.1 of this agreement. Stop. Subsequently, ESPN Software India Private Limited and Star India Private Limited had been impleaded as petitioner numbers 3 and 4 in the aforesaid writ petitions in view of media rights agreement as referred to above. Stop. Para. The aforesaid appeal and writ petition were allowed by the division bench by holding that on an interpretation of the provisions of Section 3 of the Sports Act 2007 and Section 8 of the Cable Act 1995, the singles received by Parasar Bharati from the respondents should not be placed in the designated Doordarshan channels, which are to be compulsorily carried by the cable operators under Section 8 of the Cable Act 1995. Stop. Aggrieved, the present appeals have been filed by the Union of India Parasar Bharati Home Cable Network Private Limited and Sopan Foundation. Stop. We have learned Attorney General appearing for the Union of India and Parasar Bharati and learned Senior Counsel appearing for Star India Private Limited, learned Senior Counsel appearing for Home Cable Network Private Limited and Sopan Foundation, learned Senior Counsel appearing for the BCCI Play Store at the outset, it would be appropriate to refer to and wherever the relevant statutory provisions as such. Full stop.